Yo, what is up, you guys? It's JOT ROVER back with another banger, and today, unfortunately, I am in a different room, so my voice might sound different. So yeah, this is pack opening on a fan account part 4. So Davon, he is a mod in Danny Fresh's server, and he has let me open some packs on his account. So let's get into it. Time remaining 49 minutes on this. 60k coins. Let's get it, guys. First pack, what are we gonna get? Curry, bang. Porpoise, not too bad. Okay. Second pack, who's it gonna be? Another porpoise. Oh yikes! Come on, improve my day. Bro, what the hell is this? What the hell? Actually, what? We're getting everyone but Curry. What the frick? Okay. Amethyst Curry. Oh, game's glitching. I don't know what pack we're on. Another. Come on, give me that Onyx Curry. Onyx Curry. I see people be getting it. Oh, okay. That's one Curry down. Can we pull back to back with JOT's luck? Nope, we cannot. Come on, we got this. Only a few more packs left to go. Dirk Nowitzki, fair enough. Come on. Oh, second Curry. Come on. Ray Allen, gosh damn it! And then you see people be getting like so many curries. Another Dirk Nowitzki. What the hell? Dang, this is a rip for me. Can we finish it off with the last two packs being Curry? Nope, last pack. Come on. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Curry. What did I say? Third Curry, not too bad. Well, yeah. What have we got? We got 3 Curries, 3 Porpoise, 2 Dirk Nowitzkis, 1 Curry. Not too bad. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, actually, let's see what we get. Okay. Draft picks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bang. Okay. Card, fair enough. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.